Acid etch is a mineral acid solution which can be used as a pre-treatment on bare concrete or polished floors. This product is used to firstly gain adhesion to tricky substrates such as polished concrete. It's also used to remove any surface latents that may be on the surface after the concrete is fully cured. Once acid etch has been applied to the surface, whether that's bare concrete or a polished concrete floor, what starts to happen is the acid etch actually starts to eat into the top surface. After a period of about 20 minutes, it's really important we get it rinsed off. Once you've rinsed off, it will leave a profile on the surface for any further coatings to adhere to. The product comes ready to use, so it's just a case of literally taking the lid off and pouring onto the floor. I would recommend using a stiff brush for an even distribution of the acid etch across the surface. Acid etch can be used alongside HD floor and wall and floor it.